Let's see how much my net worth changed in June. I'll show you my real numbers, the progress I've made towards my yearly goals, and where I'm starting to fall behind. If you're new here, I track my net worth each month using Excel. I break it down into assets and liabilities, and I've been doing monthly updates for over a year. Let's jump into June and check in on my mid year goals as well. My assets are up this month, which is great. I'm now at $211,030.24, an increase of $11,588 since the start of the year. Investments helped here. I bought extra stocks back in April during a dip, which has already paid off a little. Liabilities are at $23,318.08, which is slightly up from January, but down from May, so heading in the right direction again. I've been focused on paying my main credit card, and I'm still on track to pay it in full each month. But it's getting harder with prices and rent rising. I can feel it. That brings my total net worth to $187,712.16, slowly inching towards that $200,000 mark. I'm really hoping I cross it sometime this year. Now that we're halfway through the year, I wanted to check in on my 2025 goals, and it's a bit of a mixed bag. For holiday savings, I'm ahead on this goal. I originally planned to save $153.50 a month, and now I only need to save about $150 a month to finish this year strong. For my 401k, this one is still on autopilot. It's been steady and reliable. With side hustles, my goal was just to make $10 a month, but I've been averaging around $20 or more, which has been a nice boost. I did close one account, which is the lunch card, and so that goal has been met this year. So for my emergency fund, this one is tough. I had to pull from it earlier this year, and now to hit my 10K goal, I need to save $189 a month instead of $72. It's my top priority, but honestly, I may not get there by December. For my kids' savings, it's the same story here. I had a total goal of $147 a month, but now to catch up, I'd need to save $229 a month, which may not be doable. I hate saying it, but it's the reality right now. For my vacation fund, I still haven't started this one yet, so nothing to update here. Also, for my CD, I haven't closed this CD yet, and so that one is still on the to-do list. For my store card, I continue to keep it at a zero balance each month, so I am proud of that. So, my main takeaways. What really helped this month was sticking to my bill schedule and letting my investments do their thing. But I'm definitely feeling the pinch with higher prices, and I might need to adjust a couple of goals. For my next focus for July, I am trying to stay consistent with debt payments and keep pushing on the emergency fund. Even if I don't hit the full target, progress is still progress. If you want to track your own net worth in Excel, I've got a template that's just easy to use in my Etsy shop. Thanks for watching and see you next time.